Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the basics of how to upload videos to your Instagram feed and the difference between a short video and an IGTV video. It's great to have you back for another video training episode. My name is Rachel and I'm here to explain all the technical stuff so you can get your message out into the world using video. Make sure you subscribe for more video tips and techniques. And now, let's head over to Instagram. Let's start by looking at posting short videos which are under 1 minute long. First, hit the plus button to create a new post and find your video in your library. You can upload multiple videos at once by selecting this right-hand corner button, but for this video, we're going to focus on just one. Select the arrows in the bottom left-hand corner so your video is uploaded with its correct dimensions. You can preview your video by hitting play. Hit next, and here is where we can add any filters or trim your video length on either side. You can use any frame in your video as the cover photo or thumbnail by scrubbing through until you find one you like. You can also turn the video sound on or off by toggling this megaphone icon at the top. Hit next and it will bring us to the final screen to add a caption, hashtags, a location, and the option to tag people. Now let's look at IGTV videos, which are over 1 minute long. Once you select your video, resize it, and hit next, you'll be asked if you'd like to share it as a short video just to your feed or the full-length version to IGTV. With the long video option, on the final screen, you'll be able to choose whether you want to share a preview to your feed or keep it just to IGTV. Next, you can choose the cover thumbnail from a frame in your video or select an image from your camera roll to use instead. IGTV videos have a title in addition to a caption. You can also add them to an existing series or create a new one if you'd like to group your videos. Here you can select whether you'd like to post a short preview to your feed or keep your video solely to IGTV. I always post a preview to my feed because the more potential to get eyes on your video, the better. If you scroll down to advanced settings, this is where you can add or turn off auto-generated captions or tag business partners if your video contains a paid promotion. Something to keep in mind when it comes to captions for video posts: in normal photo posts and short videos, hyperlinks aren't active, so your audience would have to copy and paste them into a browser to view the link. And let's be honest, if they aren't absolutely dying to see what's on the other side of that link, they'll probably keep on scrolling. Now, hyperlinks are active in IGTV video captions when viewed in full screen. So for posts in your feed, a great strategy is to direct your audience to visit your bio to follow any links. But for IGTV videos, you can add live hyperlinks and direct your audience at some point in the video to click the title to follow it. For IGTV posts that show up on your feed as well, it could be best to add both the live link and the link in bio strategies to make it as easy as possible for your audience to get to your external content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and leave your questions in the comments below so I can answer them for you. Hit subscribe for more techniques and check out these videos for more tips and strategies. And I'll see you in the next video.